Bees are extraordinary creatures, living superorganisms that have fascinated humanity for millennia. Within the hive, tens of thousands of bees communicate seamlessly through vibrations and pheromones, creating a complex hidden world. The sensors behind HIIVE Link take you to the heart of this marvel. Our innovative sensor system decodes the hive's natural communication, providing real-time, non-invasive insights into colony health and behaviour. For beekeepers, this means better protection and support for their bees, guided by science, powered by technology, and always respectful of nature. HIIVE Link combines advanced sensor technology with a user-friendly system. The sensor, placed inside the hive, collects essential data and securely transmits it at regular intervals to the HIIVE Link base station. The base station processes this information and collects additional weather data for comparison. With flexible connectivity options, you can choose between multiple live transmissions or offline storage with later synchronization, ensuring you stay connected. The app analyzes the data, generates forecasts, and provides weekly performance recaps, offering clear insights for effective decision-making.
We are Fabian and Philip, two beekeepers dedicated to natural and sustainable beekeeping. While we have developed an innovative hive design before, we often found ourselves limited when it came to monitoring our own bees.
We tested numerous tracking devices, but none of them really met our needs. That's why we started developing our own system more than 4 years ago, HIIVE Link.
Our mission is to better understand bees, improve their health, and help beekeepers work more sustainably.
HIIVE Link is a comprehensive system that offers much more than sensor data. It monitors your queen, offers swarm predictions, identifies irregularities, offers local weather comparison, and much more. HIIVE Link can be combined with various types of sensors, making it flexible and adaptable to different needs. The modular design ensures the system can be easily tailored to various requirements. Furthermore, with optional cellular connectivity, it can be expanded to work even in remote areas, so you can always see what your bees are up to, no matter where you are.
With HIIVE Link, we are taking beekeeping to the next level.
Help us bring this project to life, support our crowdfunding campaign, and be part of a sustainable future.
HIIVE Link, innovation for beekeeping.